Today we're unboxing something truly special, a tribute to the heroes of the skies from 1940. This is the Battle of Britain 85th Anniversary Tribute Box, a collector's dream with 36 historic keepsakes packed inside. Limited to just 1940 worldwide, let's take a look at what you can get for just $49.99. Okay, so first up we have an authentic 1940 coin, a real keepsake from the year of the battle. Now, just imagine where this might have been during the war, or the hands it may have passed through. So next up, we have a specially designed Spitfire keyring, a symbol of speed, strength and sacrifice. And I'm a big fan of this, because you can actually see that it's got a really lovely 3D design to it. Here we have a beautifully enamelled Battle of Britain mug. Now I think this might be one of my favourite items in the whole box. So of course you can toast to the memory of the pilots and proudly display the 85th anniversary design. So next we have a set of 6 special edition Battle of Britain postcards showing the designs and details of the battle's most significant aircraft. Now, of course, that includes the Spitfire and the Hurricane, of course, but also some of the German planes like the Messerschmitt or the Dornier. Now, as we dig down deeper, we find there are replica RAF passes, cigarette cards, battle reports, airmail, all the items you would have seen in daily life during wartime Britain. You get a full set of poster images, of course, those iconic posters from the time, and a couple of really richly illustrated books detailing the Battle of Britain itself. Now, whether you're a lifelong history lover or looking for the perfect gift for someone who is, this is more than a box. It's a journey through Britain's courage, sacrifice and victory. But with the worldwide edition limit of 1940, time is of the essence to secure yours.